This is David Olshan of Nevada Legal Services. This PowerPoint is another in our series of bankruptcy information to help you save your home or car. Today we're going to be talking about Chapter 13 lien stripping and cramdowns. Now these are two major reasons why people file a Chapter 13. They're very useful in making your payment plan more affordable and increasing the odds that you will complete the payment plan. Lien stripping is when the value of your home does not exceed all the liens on the home. If that's the case, some of those liens may be stripped. So if you have a second mortgage, a home equity line of credit, any other lien, and the value of the home does not exceed the first mortgage, you will be able to strip the second mortgage, home equity loan, whatever. Those loans are changed from secured loans to unsecured, so you essentially flush them downstream and don't need to worry about them because they're not going to be required to be made current during the payment plan, or you won't have to pay them off during the 5 or 3 year period. They will be treated like any other unsecured debt. So if you go to Zillow and put in your address or go to any other property appraisal website, you can find your home value. And if you look at the payoff amount on your first mortgage and your second mortgage, add those up, and that's greater than the value of the home, you can strip some of these liens. The example we give is your home is worth $200,000. You owe $195,000 on your first mortgage and $25,000 on your second mortgage. Well, $20,000 of the second mortgage is unsecured and may be stripped off, changed to unsecured, and again, it'll be flushed downstream at the end of the payment plan. And what this does is it reduces the need for disposable income, the amount of money that you need to fund your payment plan. A cramdown is when your car is worth less than the lien on it. And that's most often the case. So in a cramdown for personal property, bankruptcy law requires you to have purchased the car more than 2.5 years ago. Because everyone who buys a new car and drives it off the lot, it's worth less. The car is worth less as soon as you drive it off the lot. So there's an additional requirement of the 2.5 years. But if you have purchased your car more than 2.5 years ago and you owe more than the car is worth, you can cram down that extra amount. So in the example we give, the 2014 Toyota Camry, it has a Blue Book value of $9,000. However, you owe $14,000 at 21%. Now, that payment is going to be about $380 per month. But if you cram it down, you're only going to owe $9,000. You also reduce the interest rate to basically 1% over par, which is about 2%. And over 5 years, you're going to pay off the loan and you're going to pay it off at $156 per month. So you have, by the cram down, reduced your payment by over half. And that is very, very helpful, as anyone could probably figure out. Paying half of your car payment is going to help you a lot. There are some problems with the cramdown or lien stripping. If your plan fails, you convert to a Chapter 7 or your case is dismissed, the lien returns to its pre-bankruptcy status, meaning it's attached to the property and you must pay the whole amount back. Also, the cramdown and lien stripping, they are going to take more than 30 days. And when your first payment plan is due, it's due 30 days from filing. So you're not going to receive that benefit right away. So just keep that in mind. If you're coming really close to not qualifying for a payment plan, the lien stripping and cramdown may not help you. There are alternatives to lien stripping and a cramdown. Redemption is available in Chapter 7, so with your car, you can pay off the car, whatever the car is worth, and then you will own it free and clear. This is a problem, but there are loans for these redemptions. Negotiations sometimes can provide similar results, especially during this COVID crisis. You may be able to negotiate a better payment and better terms of your mortgage. your second mortgage or your car loan, so you can look into that. If you abandon the property in a bankruptcy, it may take time to foreclose on your house or repossess your car, but when you abandon, you eliminate the need to make any payments. So there's a possibility, because of the delay, you could be driving your car or living in your house without making payments. Also, if the creditor fails to perfect the lien, and this works with personal property, if the creditor fails to perfect the lien, it's not secured property, it's unsecured property, so you don't have to worry about stripping it because it's not secured property. It's not a secured lien. We are Nevada Legal Services, and we provide free assistance, free bankruptcy assistance. If you need help in Southern Nevada, call 866-432-0404. In Reno or Northern Nevada, 800-323-8666. Again, we can help you save your car or your home, so please give us a call. Thank you.